Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. My location is in Montego Bay at the Songsters International Airport. You know, so on the right side them are lit down if you make some form of parking, because you know they have a parking issue when you come onto the airport, so parking kind of limited. So they might do a lot of works on the airport section. So big up on yourself, anyone who watch from here and abroad, you can big up on yourself. So I'm heading towards the departure area. So I'm gonna drive around and take you around and you see what's taking place. Yeah man, that's a regular update me giving up our beautiful island Jamaica, you know. A lot of people long to come take a flight, leave out from Jamaica to some different countries. Yeah man, so see the sign right up there, Songsters International Airport, and I'm heading towards the arrival area. Traffic in the place, you know. Hopefully I can get out easy. So on the left, that's where I have the arrival, which is A, B, C, D, and E. It don't look too busy at the moment. No. Jamaica nice man, Jamaica nice man. Anyone who take you Jamaica nice. Update me and giving up on the ear, you know. Sometimes when you leave from the Songsters International Airport, you wonder what will you see. So you will see from here what you would see going out from the Songsters International Airport. Yeah man, one of them places them a fix. They might try to make up a bigger car park. Yeah man, because the Quinso parking here are full up. I'm going around the roundabout. If you make the left turn, it will take you all to Falmouth area. Watch them vehicle here when my flyer come round, you know. Watch them vehicle here. DHL on your left. Also, you have a lot of car marts there too. And on your left, you have a police station right there. And on your right, you have the Hotel Gloriana. Yeah, man, that's the Hotel Gloriana. You can check the movie about that hotel also. I think the movie name Hotel Gloriana, so you can check it and get some information on it. Yeah, man, welcome to Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Yeah, man, Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. So I'm gonna make a right turn. Just coming off of Kent Avenue. Go down on the beach side, I don't want to see what going on that side there, you know. Plane them are coming there. If you want to see the plane them coming from this angle, you get a nice view. On your right, you have the Sea Garden Hotel Beach Resort. Yeah. So if you want to find the Sea Garden Beach Resort, it's on your right here. And this hotel, they have the beach is across from the hotel. Yeah, so if you book this hotel, you're not gonna have the beach on the same property. You have to cross the road over to go to the beach. Think you have a bar on here, so wings and things. Yeah. So you need to check it out. Go have a cool red stripe beer. So we're now in the Dead End area. Them calling us the Dead End Beach. Dead End Beach. Yeah, man, see the sign there. Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Wow. On your left, you would have Kent Avenue. On your right, you have the Dick Cameron gift shop. On your right, you have the Reggae gift shop. On your left, you have the second Royal Decameron. Right next to Jackson Record. And to Jackson Record, you have the S Hotel. And across from the S Hotel, you have the Doctor's Cave. On this block, you have a Starbucks coffee. You have a Starbucks building right there. So you can go have a coffee. Across, right next to you have the Doctor's Cave Beach. We're heading towards the Margaritaville, and also you have a casino and a game shop across from the Margaritaville area. If your person like to play your poker game and your kids want to go to the game shop, it's right on this block. Right here, this is on your left here, you have the casino. You remember where Coral Cliff was? Yeah, that's right there. You have the jerk zone. You can get your jerk chicken and your jerk pork. You have a lot of restaurant and bar in this area. A lot of restaurant and bar. You know, see up on the strip here, so a lot of things heading towards Harmony Park area. Watch the bike bridge in there come. Full speed ahead, you know. Take your time there, bro. Bro. Show you how to get around our beautiful island, Jamaica. So we are going on to Howard Crook Boulevard. Big up all of the hustler them in the street. Big up on the self. Big up on the self. On your left, that is where you have the biggest fire station in Jamaica. That's in Montego Bay. hold me down, but you know, make a move to go out. Step out of your zone. You see the left turn where I come up, can take it to Charlie's Garden Market, River Bay Road, also Barnett Street. Reggae Sunfest. Yeah man, right across there. That's where they have it.